Hey Roblox fans, you've probably seen dt5.lol, a site claiming to give you out free Robux just for completing a few simple tasks. But is it legit or is it just another scam in disguise? Let's talk about it. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. So, dt5.lol looks like your typical earn Robux site. Click a few buttons, complete a task, and you're promised a payout. But according to this site or this guide, the site raises a ton of red flags, such as no Trustpilot reviews found at this time. Users report it's mostly an ad trap. You do all the work, but the Robux never actually show up. The site may collect personal info or lead people or others to shady pages. That's a big no. Now, for the final verdict, dt5.lol looks like a scam. It promises free Robux but doesn't follow through. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to legit ways of earning Robux through Roblox itself. Try dt5.lol. Drop your stories in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more honest reviews and online safety tips. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.